Vladimir Guerrero.
Manos of steel.
This one's to left center field. Back. He is definitely in there.
He's bad, Vlad. Boomer, take it away.
No question about that. And congratulations to Vlad and all the guys.
What's going on, guys? It's Fuzzy. Welcome back to yet another Major League Baseball recap. The last time that we saw a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. in it was AT&T Park. It was when his dad, Vladimir Guerrero Jr.'s dad, was winning the home run derby. So it's just so crazy to say that that guy has a son and his first two home runs came in the same stadium in which he won a home run derby. It's just... So we're going to go ahead and talk about Vladimir Guerrero Jr.'s first two home runs in just a second. But like I said, yesterday was a crazy day for baseball. We have Chris Sale making history. We have a bunch of different home runs and web gems. So make sure you guys watch all the way until the end because it's going to be a good one. So without further ado, let's start talking baseball. So like I just said, Chris Sale was historic yesterday. He had 17 strikeouts in 7 innings. And he's actually the first pitcher in Major League Baseball history to go 7 innings because he couldn't go the 8th or the 9th. He was at 108 pitches, but he's had a lot of shoulder injuries this year. So the Red Sox said, nope, you're done. 17 strikeouts, that's good enough for us. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and show the clips. He could have gotten to 20 if he would have gone the distance, but you know, I think that's been done twice. Was it Kerry Wood and Roger Clemens? I think those are the two guys, but either way, Chris Sale was nasty. So a lot of you Rockies fans are like, hey, wait, I know Chris Sale was nasty, but the Red Sox did not win the game. And you guys are absolutely right. You would think that if Chris Sale is shattering records out here, 7 innings, 17 strikeouts, that the Red Sox would win the game. No, the Rockies ended up winning even though they struck out 24 times. There's 27 outs in baseball, 24 of them were via the strikeout, yet they still won. So Rockies, Nolan Arenado, Chuck Nasty, take it away, guys.
This ball's well hit to left field. This ball in the air to deep center field. Beck's running hard way back, and it is gone! Base hit center field. Trevor will come around and score.
We are getting so close to the Vladimir Guerrero Jr. first 2 home runs of his career. We're going to talk about that right after these next clips. But we have to bring up Cody Bellinger because he is still hitting over 400. Yesterday, he had his 15th home run of the season. But there's also another guy that we have to talk about on the Dodgers, Jock Peterson. Man, this dude is one of the most powerful leadoff hitters that you can have in the game. He went off for a couple home runs as well. So Dodgers fans, I know that Clayton Kershaw, he's not the same anymore, but at least you have Cody Bellinger, you have Justin Turner, you have Jock Peterson, you have Alex Verdugo. The offense is going to carry you guys this year.
Here comes Paddock with a 1-on. Peterson crushes a ball right center field. It is gone! First and 2 gone. Is driven to left center field and deep. Cody Bellinger, still ridiculous. Opposite field, home run.
Here we go, guys. The moment of truth. We have been waiting for this for almost a month now because Vladimir Guerrero Jr., he's not been that good to start his career. He was hitting 191 before this game, but then against the Giants, he said, you know what? It's time to break out, and honestly, this game alone makes me want to go buy a Guerrero Jr. jersey after this video. So if we can get this video to like 2,000 or 3,000 likes, I will go get a Vladimir Guerrero Jr. jersey, and I'm going to wear it in one of these recaps, and it's going to be a lot of fun. But either way, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. with his first 2 bombs, I'm going to make it really cinematic. It's going to be, just take it away, Vlad. Just do it.
And a half runs a game. There's a deep drive to center field. Get up, ball. Get out of here. And gone. Swing and a drive. Get up, ball. Get out of here. And gone. A 2-homer night for Vladdy Jr.
Yesterday, I made a video where I kind of talked about the players who were supposed to be really good, and they've been playing pretty bad this year. I called out Joey Votto, Vladimir Guerrero Jr., Noah Syndergaard. I called out Jose Ramirez even, one of my favorite players, and they all went off yesterday, including Vladimir Guerrero Jr. So what do you guys think? Just like I asked yesterday, is it rust or is he going to be a bust? Because in my opinion, I thought it was just rust. It was him getting adjusted to Major League pitching, and he showed that he's going to be legit. But that's just me. What do you guys think? What we're going to do now, guys, is we're going to go ahead and shift from offense to defense because I don't really show web gems all that often, but we have 2 web gems from Bryce Harper. We have an amazing play from Nico Goodrum out in Detroit, and also one of the best throws of the season, Byron Buxton, who is also doing pretty well in the batter's box, but he's known for his glove and arm. Yeah, he showed Shohei Ohtani that you can't run on him. Don't do that.
There's a drive to center. Buxton comes in, plays it on a hop. Here comes the throw to the plate, and he is out at the...
There is no such thing.
Fly ball to left. Curving in foul territory and a diving attempt. And grab made by Goodrum.
Down the right field line. Harper on the run, sliding, and did he hang on? And he did. What? Down the right field line, Harper coming hard toward foul territory, makes the sliding grab for the 2nd time in the inning.
Honestly, I've been thinking about this for quite some time. George Springer, when he's at the top of his game, might be one of the best players in baseball. The reason why is he can hit for average. Well, he hits 280, maybe 290, so that's pretty decent. So he's a 4-star in the average department, but he's 5-star in power, fielding. I think he's about 4-star in running and also arm. I mean, George Springer has everything in one, and yesterday he showed that he can hit the ball far, he can run around the bases really fast, and he's just been absolutely insane. He might be a top 7 player in baseball right now, honestly, but also his teammate Carlos Correa came in clutch with the 3-run home run of his own. So honestly, the Astros, if their pitching can kind of withstand, if Wade Miley can do what Dallas Keuchel was doing, dude, the Astros, they're gonna set offensive records this year.
Correa to center field, sending Jones back. He'll look up, and this ball's gone. This ball's drilled to center field. Well hit. Jacoby Jones going back. He'll look up. This ball's off the fence and bounces away from him. He's going to be waved home. The throw will not be made. Head first line for an inside the park.
Josh Bell, a lot of you guys just don't seem to give this man a lot of respect because he's playing out in Pittsburgh, but I failed to realize that not only is he one of the best left-handed hitters in the game, he's also one of the best right-handed because someone called him out that he was a switch hitter. I did not know that, but either way, Josh Bell has yet another multi-home run game in 2019. This dude can rake.
Oh, my! Wow! Goodness gracious! He can do whatever he wants. The king of baseball right now is Josh Bell. Look at that.
Switching over to these next 2 teams, we have the Cleveland Indians and the St. Louis Cardinals. Again, they were kind of at the center of my video yesterday where I called them out saying their offense has been really bad. Their pitching is kind of carrying them right now. But the Indians erupted for 5 home runs yesterday, and the Cardinals almost matched them. They hit 4. Marcell Ozuna has been in a rut, same with Jose Ramirez, and they both came in clutch yesterday. I think the only players that we have to worry about now is Matt Carpenter, because Matt Carpenter is about to be under the Mendoza line. All that means is he's about to be hitting under 200. So, I don't know. Jordan LePlow, he's really good for the Indians. He's a designated hitter. He's kind of a good outfielder. So, I think we're going to be all right. But either way, I'm going to stop talking. Indians, Cardinals, take it away, guys.
Now Jose Ramirez launches one. Deep left field and way out of here. Luplow hammers a high ball to deep left center field. Tilson's back. It is gone. A home run.
Ozuna. And the 2-1 is hit out to deep left. It's at the wall. It is gone. And Wong shoots it in the gap into deep right center. And that ball is gone.
Wilson Ramos hit a grand slam yesterday. It was a thing of beauty. He's on my fantasy team as well. One more guy that's on my fantasy team is Noah Syndergaard. I also called him out yesterday, and he came in big time. He had a pretty good performance yesterday. So what we're going to do is we're just going to show the Wilson Ramos home run because I couldn't really find any Thor clips. But either way, I mean, the Mets, I think they're going to be really good. I'm not sure if they're going to make the playoffs because their division is just that great, but they're a really good team.
And that's driven to deep left field. Back toward the wall. That ball is out of here. Wilson Ramos with a first inning grand slam. Just his 2nd home run as a Met, and the Mets jump in front 4-0 in the first inning.
One player that I did not mention in yesterday's video of players that are kind of busting this year is Mitch Haniger. Now, I think he's a good power hitter and a pretty good outfielder, so I don't think the average is really going to play a factor into my opinion of him, but he is hitting pretty low in terms of the average. But yesterday, he was able to kind of show the world that Mitch Haniger is one of the better outfielders in the American League. He hit a home run as well as Tim Beckham. So the Mariners not playing great baseball, but at least they hit baseballs pretty far.
He shoots this high, deep out to the gap. This is blasted. This is gone. Face the Twins. Blasted, gone, on its way. See ya. This has got to ticket out of here. Up to the second deck. Second straight night for Mitch Haniger.
The Milwaukee Brewers have a really exciting top prospect that is now officially making his debut. Keston Hiura, he is really good. I'm just going to say that. Yesterday, he collected his first base hit, and then after that, we're going to show a Yasmani Grandal home run.
Fire. And Grandal with a drive deep to right field, and Harper can only watch as Grandal sends one out of here.
All right, guys, well, that pretty much wraps it up for today's MLB recap. I know there were a few games that we did not talk about. There was also a home run coming from Miami. I don't know how far this baseball went, but I want you guys to kind of guess in the comment section down below. Alviciel Garcia, Mini, Miguel Cabrera just went, oh man, you went full ham sauce on this baseball.
Throws enough of all three.
A long shot back into center. Well tagged. Birdie looks up. That baby's out of here. What a tremendous blast off the bat of Garcia.
We have the Royals absolutely going off. Hunter Dozier got 3 RBIs, but I couldn't find a home run, so I was like, I'll just go ahead and show the clips at the very end. And then the final clip that we have is another player that I called out yesterday for being terrible. Joey Votto. He was almost hitting below 200. I was just saying he's not been good. And then, of course, he hits a home run, but that was not enough to stop the Chicago Cubs as they take the W. So, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Again, if you guys have not heard about this, I do have a code on Seatgeek. Seatgeek is an app where you can buy baseball tickets, hockey tickets, football tickets, concert tickets. If you use code Fuzzy, you get $20 off. So make sure you guys go do that, save some money. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the highlights. Vlad Jr., congrats. I know you're not watching, but congrats, man. Way to get that rust off your shoulders. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Enjoy the highlights.
That's someone else's job.
And there's a drive by Votto into right center field. And Joey will touch them all. Number 4 for Votto.
And I can guarantee you, Joey Votto is one on this ball club very happy to be back at Great American Ballpark.
He does with a base hit to right field. In comes Hamilton. And there's another base hit to the opposite field. Down the line. Dozier will score easily. The Royals were going to go in front 8-0.